Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Honda Accord rear brakes. First, prioritize safety by gathering all necessary tools, such as a reliable jack, sturdy jack stands, and a lug wrench. Ensure your vehicle is parked securely on a flat, level surface with the parking brake fully engaged. Always wear appropriate personal protective equipment, including safety glasses and gloves, to protect yourself throughout the process. This preparation is crucial for a safe and successful brake job. With the car safely supported, you can now begin removing the old brake components. Start by removing the wheel. Next, locate the two caliper guide pin bolts, typically found on the back of the caliper, and remove them. Gently slide the caliper off the rotor and secure it without letting it hang by the brake line. Finally, remove the worn brake pads from the caliper bracket. Now it's time to install your new brake components. First, use a C-clamp or a specialized caliper piston tool to carefully compress the caliper piston back into its housing. This creates space for the thicker new pads. Insert the new brake pads into the caliper bracket, ensuring they fit correctly. Then, carefully slide the caliper back over the rotor and secure it by reinserting and tightening the guide pin bolts. For the final steps, reinstall the wheel and carefully lower your vehicle to the ground. Once on the ground, fully tighten the lug nuts to their proper torque specifications. Before driving, pump the brake pedal repeatedly until it feels firm. This resets the caliper piston against the new pads. Finally, perform a low-speed test drive in a safe, open area to ensure the brakes are functioning correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.